Miniature circuit breaker. We might have seen the MCBs in the distribution box present in our houses, and like a switch, it can be turned on and off. But what is this? Is it important to know about it? Let's see that in detail. The inventor of circuit breaker is Thomas Edison. He developed the idea for a circuit breaker in the year 1879. He sketched different concepts in his scientific journals and patented the idea in the same year. A circuit breaker disconnects an electrical circuitry by opening a contact when the circulating electric current reaches levels considered as unsafe for the system. Circuit breakers equip every electrical system today, more than 120 years after being invented. Brown, Bory and Company was a Swiss group of electrical engineering companies. It was founded in Baden, Switzerland in 1891 by Charles Eugen Lancelot Brown and Walter Bory, who worked at the Machine Fabric Oerlikon. In 1967, Machine Fabric Oerlikon was taken over by Brown, Bory and Say, which in 1988 merged with ASEA to form ABB Group. What is MCB? A miniature circuit breaker automatically switches off electrical circuits during an abnormal condition of the network, means in overload condition as well as faulty condition. Nowadays, we use the MCB in a low voltage electrical network instead of a fuse. The fuse may not sense it, but the miniature circuit breaker does it in a more reliable way. MCB is much more sensitive to overcurrent than fuse. Handling an MCB is electrically safer than a fuse. Quick restoration of supply is possible in case of a fuse, as because fuses must be rewirable or replaced for restoring the supply. Restoration is easily possible by just switching it on. Let's look at the working of the miniature circuit breaker. How does MCB work? Whenever continuous overcurrent flows through MCB, the bimetallic strip is heated and deflects by bending. This deflection of bimetallic strips releases a mechanical latch. As this mechanical latch is attached with the operating mechanism, it causes the miniature circuit breaker contacts and the MCB turns off, thereby stopping the current to flow in the circuit. To restart the flow of current, the MCB must be manually turned on. This mechanism protects from the faults arising due to overcurrent or overload. Circuit overloading is known to be the most common reason for circuit breaker tripping. It simply means that we are running too many heavy power consuming devices at the same time on the same circuit. The most dangerous cause is a short circuit. Finally, the safety measure. It is common many have used the insulation tape over MCB to prevent it from frequent tripping. This is not advisable. The measure needs to be taken is either the MCB is to be replaced or the device that causes overloading or short circuiting that led to the tripping of MCB must be repaired or replaced. If not, we will get an electric shock and the device is also damaged. Post your queries in the comment box.